Hello guys, it is Chris here. Alright, there we go. Today we're going to be doing my oil pan with my timing cover as well as my rear main seal cover. But before we do any of that, I have to sit here and clean this fucking mess up because I want some like workroom, you know. Alright, now I got you guys all set up. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, I hope you guys like the new camera. I think it looks a lot better. And I got a little mic right here, a little setup going on. Alright, I'll start get the cleaning. Just take out this box. Got a little TV back there so that when my new HDMI cord comes in, I'm going to be hooking up my computer to it to put like all data or pro demand or whatever on so that I can, you know, do it the right way, step by step. Okay, we are going to be reusing my valve covers, so we're not going to clean those up. Eventually I'll get some new ones, some like the higher risen ones. I went to Amazon and I bought a new oil pump pickup tube. Let me tell you, this thing's trash. Don't buy it. It doesn't even come close to fitting. So we're gonna have to return this. I was kind of well, not even kind of, which I'm pretty upset about because I really wanted like to replace just about everything that I could that was like kind of cheap, like that, because that was like $20. The new ones, like the new timing cover and rear main seal cover, were all like $20 each. The new oil pan was probably like $60. So I was excited to put a new oil pump tube on it, but I guess we don't get to do that. Here is the brand new, and it looks so good, dude. Brand new. When I take it out of the package, I'll show it again. I just don't want to get it all dirty. It's kind of ironic because it's going to have oil all over it. It's going to get all dirty, whatever. I get it. Now let's get my covers out. I'm going to keep this big box over here for trash. Throw this one away. Now let's open up this box. This one just looks like it's going to be my rear main seal. Let's see if I'm right. Hey, would you look at that? I was right. So, this is the new rear main seal. Also got from Amazon. Hopefully this one fits. It even came with something, hold on. Hey, it even came with some RTV. I mean, I got a bunch of it, so I'm not too worried about that. Oh, and it came with new bolts for it. But I'll probably reuse the old bolts because I kind of like that they're all a size 10. That's pretty cool. Like just about every single bolt on this thing is a size 10. Just turn that on. Now, for my new timing cover. Sorry if you hear me sniffling and stuff, it's because I'm sick. If I cough or whatever, I'll probably just edit that out, but yeah. Oh, this one came with, this one is the timing cover. Came with some gasket sealer and some new water pump gaskets, but I mean, of course I'm gonna save these, but I bought the Dorman ones, and they're over there, so probably just gonna use those ones. All right, here is my new timing cover. Woohoo, she looks good. Let's get y'all a better view. Sorry if this looks weird to y'all. I'm doing all this. Alright guys, sorry about that. The camera turned off because it got hot and I'm trying to learn all the settings for this thing. It's a pretty expensive camera. So yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna do the timing cover. We're gonna do timing cover first, and then I would like to do the rear main seal, but in order to do that, I would have to take it off my engine stand and put it onto my crane, my little cherry picker, and then I would be able to put it back onto the stand and then do my oil pan all together. So I don't know, give me a second, I'll figure this out. But as of right now, we're gonna do timing cover and oil pan. Now we're gonna do it all. Okay. All right, so like I said, these gaskets came from Amazon. Yeah, I'm not gonna trust these gaskets. You guys can if you guys want, if you guys end up doing it or whatever. I'm not putting my build at risk with it, you know? So we're not gonna do that. Let's get our gasket. Here's my Fel Pro gasket. I know it looks dirty, I already threw it on, but took it off because I got the new. it actually matters too much or not, but I'm going to try and level this out. Make sure that it's like up onto the block. So this is good, sitting flush. This side needs to come up a little. Good and good. All right. All right, let's torque this down and everything. Give me like 10 seconds to figure out the torque and everything on these. All right, sorry about that. Fucking camera turned off again. Got too hot. It's hot as hell in here. And I will say, get used to me being shirtless, because you're gonna see a lot of it, like a lot. I hate having my shirt on. Okay, as you can see right here, sorry, as you can see right there, it's for my timing cover. It says torque them to 18 foot-pounds. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, got my wrench, we're ready to go. Now let me grab this. Yeah, I think this is cool as, man. Look at that. That is my torque wrench. Okay, this thing can clip onto any torque wrench that's 3/8, so I don't have one specific one, in case if I need a longer handle, shorter handle, whatever. And it was only like $45 at Harbor Freight. I don't think you can really beat that, to be honest, so we're just gonna use this. Get that top right, hold on. The top right set to 18 pounds. Let's tighten her up. I always believe in this, kind of like the star pattern, no matter what I'm. Got my 2 new knock sensors. Hold on. Got 2 new knock sensors, new camshaft position sensor, an oil pressure sensor. Can't really see it. I'm an idiot, but we got my new camshaft chain cover, everything in there. And my, man, I just covered it, but I got my BTR Red Hot cam in there that I did beforehand, so sorry to y'all, but I promise you this won't be the only build, so we'll all have chances to see more, don't worry. Okay, I've got no idea if you guys were watching. I didn't notice, but the camera died again. But yeah, we're gonna do 18 foot-pounds all the way around on these 12 bolts. Hold on, wait for it to focus. 18 pounds. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. My camera died because of the battery, and I didn't even notice. So I got it off the engine hoist. All these rear cover bolts are torqued down to 18. Now we can do the oil pan. What? And these bolts, all the oil pan bolts, you torque down to 18. As you can see, it is set to, set to 8. Now we'll torque all of these down. Let me throw my oil filter on. Now remember, whenever you're doing oil filters, you always want to take some fresh oil or even old oil and rub it against this little ring so it doesn't seize up against it. Because this ring, I've seen it on my truck 10 times. This little gasket will stick to the actual oil pan and not come off when you take this. And then when you do take this off, you know, at least me, I was like, oh, you know, whatever, blah, blah. It's off, let's just throw the new one on. I didn't look. And when I put the new one on, I left the old gasket up there. And when I tightened it down, I thought it was all tightened down. Turned on the engine and just started spraying oil between the gaskets. So make sure to double, triple, quadruple check when doing that. And make sure you always put oil on that ring. All right.